Drwy roi amser I ofalwyr di-dâl yn adlu, mae'r Cynllun Seibiant Byr wedi helpu atal gofalwyr rhag orflino a leihau'r pwysau ar wasanaethau statudol. Mae gofalwyr di-dâl yn teimlo eu bod yn cael eu cydnabod, eu cefnogi, a'i bod yn gallu parhau Mae ymyrraeth gynnar yn enwedig ar gyfer gofalwyr ifanc wedi bod yn hanfodol, gan helpu fynd i'r afael a heriau cyn iddynt gael eu gwreiddio.
My sister's wheelchair bound and it's very difficult because I can't really do much stuff by myself. Sort of spend all of my time with my sister except times like these in school. It is really nice to get out here and do what I want to do.
It's really good to have a break from it because then I can actually chill without having to care for my sister.
Started caring for my dad probably when I was about 5 or 6. I don't really go out as much as other kids normally would. It can be quite hard. I like having breaks from like reality sometimes.